Take command of the road in the 2019 Ford F-150. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, you can be confident that this pre-owned vehicle will provide you reliable transportation. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, and more. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We'd love to show you this vehicle in person. Call to schedule a test drive today.